Canada's first snow is here, but it's not stopping the Indian Consulate from helping the people. Life Certificate initiative has been taken by Indian Consulate. Huge lines are there. They are getting help from every corners. Let's talk with some people and know more about that. Here at the Sikh Heritage Centre in Brampton, the community hall has transformed into a makeshift council office for the day. Since early morning, dozens of Indian origin senior citizens have been arriving to obtain their life certificates for pension purposes. The normally tranquil centre is bustling as council staff and local volunteers work together to assist the elderly attendees.
They don't take much time. They are very polite. They are cooperative. So we are very happy that the Consulate General of India has provided such an efficient staff, and they are doing their duty in spite of the fact that today weather is not good. But even then they have come and they are making the life certificates and helping the people.
बहुत ਵਧੀਆ ਇੰਤਜ਼ਾਮ ਹੈ। ਮੌਸਮ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਬਾਵਜੂਦ ਵੀ 100% ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੰਤਜ਼ਾਮ ਹੈਗਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ ਸ਼ਬਦਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਨਾ ਸਮੂਥਲੀ ਕੰਮ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ, ਸਿਸਟਮੈਟਿਕਲੀ ਕੰਮ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਟੀਮ ਆਈ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਅੰਟਾਰੀਓ ਤੋਂ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੰਮ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ, ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ, ਕੋਈ ਬਾਤ ਨਹੀਂ, ਬੜਾ ਪੀਸਫੁਲੀ ਕੰਮ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ।
In the main hall, help desks have been set up where consulate officials verify documents and issue life certificates on the spot. Elderly attendees wait their turn, holding their identification documents and application forms. The service is provided free of charge and each certificate is processed within minutes, sparing for the pensioner any long ordeal. Volunteers from the community and the host Gurudwara guided the seniors, ensuring the process runs smoothly and with dignity. Local Indian pensioners have warmly welcomed this initiative. Many vote that having such service in own community saves them from long journeys or navigating complicated procedures. They describe the camp as efficient and well organized, a far cry from time-consuming process they faced in years past. For these elderly attendees, the convenience brought by the campus more than just the time saved. It's reassurance that they have not been forgotten by the authorities back home.
Yeah, couldn't have been better day though. But it was good, well organized, and I think the staff came before time. And I think everyone's here for the same purpose, and it was nicely done.
Everybody is putting their efforts just for the betterment of the old citizens of Indian origin.
अच्छा अरेंजमेंट किया हुआ है इन्होंने, बहुत अच्छा किया हुआ है। हम व्हील चेयर पे हैं तो जल्दी आ गया।
Yes, yeah, these are absolutely necessary with lot of diaspora coming from India and other parts, so this obviously is needed.
ਵਧੀਆ ਜੀ, ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨੇੜੇ ਪਿਆ ਜੀ, कोई टाइम नहीं लगे, लगातार काम चल रहा है, बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है।
क्या आप कनाडा एंड अमेरिका में हैं और आप अपना डेंटल ट्रीटमेंट भी करवाना चाहते हैं एंड यू आर ऑल्सो प्लानिंग अ ट्रिप टू इंडिया, सो वी हैव वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एंड टॉप मोस्ट डेंटल क्लिनिक सिचुएटेड इन द हार्ट ऑफ चंडीगढ़ एंड मोहाली, जहां हम ये सारे प्रोसीजर्स पेनलेस तरीके से तो करते ही हैं, रादर वी ट्राई आवर बेस्ट कि शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम में भी खत्म हो जाए, जिसके लिए हम हाई एंड टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करते हैं, चाहे वो डेंटल इम्प्लांट्स हो, स्माइल मेकओवर हो या इनविजिबल ब्रेसेस हो। वी ट्राई आवर बेस्ट टू फिनिश योर केस इन द बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे।